Hi guys, today I'll discuss topic on problems on single line diagram using AutoCAD. I hope previous videos are helpful for you, the symbols as well as few problems also I'll discuss. So today I'll discuss a problem such a way that it covers all varieties. So what type of varieties, just have a look. So as I discussed this previous problem, so just have a look this, what varieties you may get. I'll compare three problems. So in this, here two bus bars are there. So the 110 kV incoming line stepped down to 11 kV, from 11 kV 5 outgoing lines, and here auxiliary transformer is there, and we have provided PTs to bus bars, and bus coupler is there. Both sides I have provided bus coupler. So this is concept. Along with this, here we have used switchgear devices like coupling condenser, wave trap, earth switch, and all these things at input side. Okay, now I'll go for another. Just have a look this another problem. Here there is a 10 alternators are there, 10 incoming lines instead of the normal incoming alternators we have used, and then so these 5 one side of one section 5 alternators, this station is connected to another station. There is a sectionalized bus bar is there. This is another way. Sometimes if they specify sectionalized bus bar, so you have to connect like this. Isolator, circuit breaker isolator has to be given. Getting okay. So total how many outgoing lines here? 10. So it is sectionalized. One side 5, another side 5. If this station, if anything will problem happen, no need to shut down. So it will be off. Isolator will open. So remaining this process will be on. Getting? This is another way. One type of another way of problem. So in this problem, so three way of step down. So 220 kV. 220 kV is stepped down to 33. Okay, from 33 step down to 11. So from 11 kV, how many outgoing lines here? 11 kV bus bar. This is 220 kV bus bar. This is 33 kV. From 33 kV, 11 kV. But 11 kV is sectionalized. Isolator, circuit breaker isolator has to be used. So from this 11 kV, how many outgoing lines? 6. So equally distributed, right? And there is one another is there. This is 3 winding transformer. Is it? Okay. So this is a 3 winding transformer. Just have a look this. Okay. So this is 3 winding transformer that is connected to 33 kV bus bar. 3 winding in the sense this winding they have done 33 kV step down to 6.4 kilovolt and then 415 volt. So here this is above is 33 kV, middle is 6.4 kilovolt and this is 415 volt. Sometimes they may specify provide 3 winding transformer. Okay, getting? So let us start using AutoCAD. Okay, so I'll draw this diagram. Just have a look this. We'll draw this. So 110 kV, 2 incoming, and then 2 transformers. Okay, and then outgoing is of how many outgoing lines are there? 5 outgoing lines. Let us start this. Okay. So draw incoming line. So here I'll draw a lightning arrestor. From this I'll draw lightning arrestor. Take rectangular box, provide and zoom it. So this line is not connected, move this. So in this diagram itself I'll show you all ways, and sometimes they may tell to provide duplicate bus bar. Duplicate bus bar nothing but double bus bar. Getting? Okay. And draw a line from this. It's moving straight. Function F8 you press. So draw a line. So from here draw another line. Okay. So from here, so provide and this moving, and you have to make it straight. Okay. So here you provide ground. Copy this. No need to copy because here you have to redraw smaller than this and again smaller than this. Zoom it. Right. So this is lightning arrestor. So and see, if you zoom it, this is not connected. What you have to do here? Move this. Move it. Okay. While moving this point, you have to take it and join over here. Okay. So better I'll redraw a line, because if you want to select the above full line itself, it will select. Okay. It will take full line. So that's why I have redrawn. And here I'll draw isolator. read down a line on this. I'll draw as a small circle you have to make. Zoom it and draw better. Okay, this much is enough. So copy this and paste below. Okay, take a line. So F8 to make it off. Out. Okay, and before providing this, actually in this diagram they told some coupling condensers and all. So what I will do, just I'll move this. Of course I'll provide that. This isolator and all. Okay, so now we have to provide coupling condenser. From this, I'll draw a line F8 to make it on. Coupling condenser I'll provide. Draw a line here. Copy this, and paste. Is it? Okay, it's moving in all direction. Okay, little bit. This much is specified. Okay. So now this coupling condenser is grounded. Take another line, zoom it, draw a line, take another line, and provide over here. Getting? Okay. So now just have a look this. So coupling condenser and then wave trap is there. Okay. Coupling condenser, wave trap you have to provide. So what I want to do here, just draw a line on this. So you have to provide here coupling condenser, right? Okay. So now what I will do, I'll draw two circles over here. Copy this, paste below. Okay. So draw a line here. Okay. So now trim this section. Is it? Yes. So now what you have to do here, so now capacitor you have to draw. Okay. Copy this and paste below. Is it? So join this. Okay. Sorry, this is moving not straight. So what you have to do here, just draw a line. Otherwise draw it like this and you can trim this. Extra portion you can trim this. Okay. Yes, this is called coupling condenser. So now this coupling condenser is connected to earth switch. So what you have to do here, draw a circle, copy this, paste over here, take a line, so F8 to make it on. Okay, so take a line and just join like this. Okay, so from here F8 to make it on, you specify your here and you specify grounded. Take a line, just draw a line and draw another line over here. Okay, yes. So now hatch it. So add pick point, this one. So now make it solid, and this is I'm using a TwoSound 10. So in new version above itself it will display. Here it is showing box. Okay. So now this is connected to isolator. Remaining process is same. So now copy this, whatever previous I had drawn. So F8 to make it off and press over here. You can join over here, no problem. Okay. So now what you have to do here, so if you want to decrease this size you can decrease it. So I'll use scale command because it's as compared to this isolator, this diagram, this size is more. Scale less than 1 is there, 0.5 you should press, the scale it will decrease. Okay, this much is enough. Now move this isolator, right? Take the center point and join over here. Okay, so now make it solid, add pick point, this and this, enter. Okay, already solid is there. Okay, so now what you have to do here, Now this is connected to circuit breaker. This is connected to circuit breaker. Make it straight, F8. This is connected to circuit breaker. So now take a rectangular box, okay, and move this. Join over here, okay. So now better the size, better I'll draw more size, circuit breaker than isolator, little bit more size, okay. Take a rectangular box, just delete this, rectangular box you take and draw more size, little, this much is enough, okay. If you zoom it, this is not joined, move it, join over here, okay. So now copy this. Now what you have to do, little bit line you draw, little bit, because here the CT you have to provide. Now copy this, if you join here also no problem, okay. This extra line you delete, okay. So now CT you have to provide, so draw a circle, copy this, paste over here, F8 to make it on, F8 to make it on, and paste over here. So now trim this, full diagram you have to select and trim this. Okay. So this is called CT. Okay. So we have provided all those right. Okay. So these are all what incoming line. This is called wave trap, coupling condenser, earth switch, isolator, circuit breaker, isolator. Right. This is connected to double bus bar actually. So now what you have to do, if it is double bus bar, now isolator will split. So what you have to do here, better I'll draw two isolators, it will split actually. Okay. So now what you have to do here, so from this, okay, so copy this. So I have to draw a line over here, draw a line, copy this, paste over here. So F8 to make it on, so paste over here. Okay. So what you have to do here, so from this point, okay, so better what you have to do, you can copy this full section, delete this, previous, okay, copy this, paste over here. Okay. This is connected to double bus bar, draw a line, take a line, F8 to make it on, straight line has to be drawn, okay, copy this, paste below. Okay. If it is double bus bar it is, okay. So this spacing between line is more, so better little bit spacing you mentioned. Getting? Okay. So these are the different protective devices. So like this you have to draw. Getting? Okay. So this is the way. In next video I'll tell you remaining process, the continued of this video. Okay, getting this diagram how to draw. Okay. So I'll continue in next video to complete this diagram full section. So just practice this how to draw the lightning circuit breaker and all, isolator, circuit breakers, coupling condenser and all. Thank you.